Alright, what's going on, guys? George with another video, and yes, right behind me is the finished product when it comes down to the bumper being powder coated. For those of you guys that saw yesterday's video, know that I took this thing to get powder coated. I had seen better days, honestly, from abuse, from just using it on the trails. And not only that, but sometimes you never know, you do have those people that kind of back into you and will not never say anything. Well, yeah, it was pretty scratched up, it was pretty banged up. The powder coat itself was fading, so I figured, you know what, why not just re-powder coat this bumper for Sema. This is probably one of my favorite bumpers that was sold in the market back in the day. This is from a company called Free. It's not available anymore, but it's still a really good looking bumper. It's super light because it is aluminum. So anyways, I decided to powder coat it. I decided to also get some brand new Baja design lights. I did go with the same setup that I had before. I ended up going with the Squadron Pros again. These things are super beasts. They're super bright. I've been running these lights for such a long time now, and they're probably some of my favorite lights, some of the lights that I use the most. When it comes down to the bar light, I did go with a Baja Design S8, and that as well I was running before, but I was running it in white, so I did go with an amber lens this time. That way I can just completely separate the bumper lights to the LP6s, which are white up on top. So I went with all amber inside that bumper, or inside this bumper, and I went with white when it comes down to the LP6s. Enough said, we're gonna install these. If you guys have any questions regarding the Sema build, feel free to comment down below. I'll do my very best to answer them all. I know I've been getting a lot of questions on Instagram, on Facebook, but for those of you guys that don't have those type of social media platforms, comment down below. I'll be more than happy to answer your questions. When it comes down to the install portion of these lights, when you're gonna be putting them on a steel bumper or an aluminum bumper, it's pretty easy. Baja Design does provide obviously not only the lights, but they also provide a harness as well. Keep in mind, this is for the people that obviously haven't wired anything before. In my case, I do have some Switch Pros. Everything's already wired up. It's all about just plug and play for me. But they also provide all the hardware that you need. And right here are the brackets that I'm going to be using. And this bumper did come with a small groove where you can actually place this bracket inside and secure the light in place. So we're going to grab our small nut here. We're going to place this little washer here and just secure it in place like so. Alright, here you have it, guys. This is what it looks like with the bracket installed. Alright, so here you have the small groove that I was talking about, that most metal or steel bumpers should have already pre-drilled or pre-made. That is exactly where we're going to be placing our lights. So here it is. We put the bolts already. We're going to just put it inside just like that. Push it all the way forward. We're going to grab our washer and secure it. I feel like I'm talking all monotone, you know, like but anyways, I'm trying to make it sound exciting for you guys, you know. Alright, so check it out. It's nice and mounted. I'm going to show you guys what it looks like from the front. And that is the front shots. Now that I have one side, I'm going to repeat the same process on this left hand side. And then we'll move on to the big boy, the 30-inch S8. So right now that I'm working on the Squadron Pros bracket, I'm going to answer one of the questions that I probably get asked the most. That's either on Instagram, in person, or even on Facebook sometimes, or even in the comment below. George, how did you get into Sema? The truth answer is, I got blessed. I really don't know how I got in, but I did. I've been building my truck for about 2.5 years now, and I've been building my YouTube channel for a year now. And I'm just very passionate about my build. Obviously, everything that I've used and have on my truck is all quality. Most of it is made here in the USA. I think that probably had a huge part when it came down to why my truck got selected. Not only that, but I do have some awesome friends in the industry that definitely help. JH Garage, thank you so much for everything that you've done, all the knowledge. Showstoppers, Chuck, this guy has been in the industry for such a long time. He was super helpful. He's one of the main reasons why I actually was able to go. He did spread the word, and he told a lot of his friends, hey listen, this truck is a pretty well built truck. So just honestly guys, it was not even luck, it's just I got blessed. You know, I was in the right spot, the right time, and I'm thankful for your support. Everybody that's watching this YouTube platform has definitely enhanced that opportunity and definitely opened up doors. Just like I'm doing now, kind of just showing you guys what's going in, what's going out. I do plan on filming the whole entire Sema show while I'm there. I'm gonna keep you guys posted. If you guys don't follow me on Instagram, follow me on Instagram because I'll probably be more active. These videos do take a little bit to edit, so those will probably come out days after the show. But if you guys want to stay tuned when it comes down to the show and literally be there with me, yeah, hit up my Instagram. It's the same handle as my YouTube channel. It's Bust to Be George, and I'll be putting a bunch of stuff on there. I definitely want to bring you guys along for the ride. So hope you guys are enjoying this series. Obviously there's a lot of work that needs to be done, but we'll get it done. So there we have it guys, the 2 Squadron Pros are in. Man, that looks really good. I think just the bumper itself makes it look really good because it's so nice and shiny. Now for the big boy, the big S8s. Keep in mind, like I said earlier, I was rocking a white S8 before, and now for the Sema build, I am gonna go with the amber, and I think this is definitely gonna look a lot better than the other one. Oh my god, this looks beautiful. See what we got here. We should have the hardware that we need. And for those of you guys that order these S8s from Baja Designs, if you guys are going to use them for something else, they also come with brackets, as you can tell. But in my case, all we're going to be needing is just the hardware. Oh man, I am stoked. I think I've said this before in my other videos, but one thing that definitely distinguishes Baja Designs is just the attention to detail. As you can see here on their bolts, they even add thread locker. Alright, so we are just gonna place it here and make sure we test fit everything, make sure everything works. Yep, everything fits as it should. Oh, it is backwards though. Good thing I noticed, because knowing me guys, I will install it backwards, and it'd be pretty embarrassing if I show up to Sema and the boys at Baja Designs go up to my truck and the bar light is backwards. Now we're gonna grab it like that, and then we're gonna stick it into those holes. See them?
Where does it? Oh, right here.
Alright guys, so I have my helper. Hey, is it heavy?
No.
You know why it's not heavy guys? Because this is an aluminum bumper. The only thing that is really heavy, I guess, are the lights. But for the most part, this is a super light bumper, and as you can see, she's stronger than I am, and yeah, it's not heavy. So pretty much all it is that's holding this bumper into place, because it is a super light bumper. You will have obviously the factory nuts. You will have 2 on this side and then 1 in the inside. You also have a reinforcement bracket that will also give this bumper support, just in case you do hit some dips, it doesn't rattle or hit stuff. Obviously, if you do have an aluminum bumper, you can definitely be expecting a super easy install. Now, if you do have a winch or more accessories on your bumper, then it will be heavier and you definitely will need some help from someone. Alright guys, so here you have it, the finished product. I'm really digging the new look with the ambers. We'll see how functional they are out in the open. I'm sure they're gonna be pretty functional. I mean, I've been rocking these Squadron Pros for a while now, but I do want to see what the S8 can do out in the open. And that's pretty much it for this video, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys want to keep watching more of these Sema updates, do me a favor, make sure you guys subscribe. And as always, I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.